Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a healthy and tasty poha. This recipe is super easy and quick. You can see the ingredients on the screen. I have taken onion, green chilli, tomato, capsicum, garlic, curry leaves and coriander leaves, a mix of chopped carrot and beans. And fried groundnuts. I fried them with a little oil to make them crispy. I have taken poha and washed it thoroughly. Heat a pan and a spoon of oil. Add a little jeera, followed by garlic, chilli and curry leaves. Then add chopped onions and capsicum. And fry until golden brown. Add the chopped vegetables and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the washed poha. Spoon of oil. Salt to taste. Mix everything well. Add the fried groundnuts and mix it again. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves and give it a final stir. Delicious poha is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes.